Hello everyone, myself Rajkumar. Today I am going to discuss about distance vector routing protocol. First of all, what is distance and direction? Distance is a measure of number of hops the packet requires to reach the destination. It means the amount of data that is required to in the packet to transfer from starting point to destination or from source to sink. Here vector is defined as distance comma direction. We also know that the vector is having both magnitude and direction. From when it reaches to one hop, a data will be received from one hop to another hop. Other message will be transmitted via packets. Say in this, hops are acts as a junctions. It is travels as one hop router to another hop router, which is packet is to be forwarded. It also known as Bellman for algorithm. In this, we are sending data from A, B, C, D, E. Here we are drawing the shortest distance between to transfer data from one to another. Here we can transmit data from A to B directly, A to D directly, and A to C directly. We can transfer data from A to E either via C or B. Here these are the states where the data can be transmitted from one to another. In this, A directly transfers to C, B, D. It means here shows cost is 0. At A it does not transfer. It means distance is 5. They are numbered as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 something. Here the A travels to when it A travels to A it is 0. A travels to B it is indicated as 5. A travels to C it is indicated as 2. A travels to D it is indicated as 3. A travels to E it is 4 plus to 6. Via C it is a medium, and it is same in B stable also. B wants to travel to D, it can travel via B to D via A. It means 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Here the next is D travels from it travels to B via D. It means B to D via A. Here and E stable is also same. E travels to D via C and A, and it is D stable. D travels to B, D travels to C, D travels to E via like this. D will travel to B via A, 3 plus 5, 8. D travels to C, 3 plus 2, 5. D travels to E, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. In distance vector routing protocol, each node shares its routes to the network only to the neighbors and does not broadcast it. In previous diagram, we have gone through it as A travels to D and E. A travels to E via B or C via neighboring network. CJ here is a neighboring network. Whenever any node receives the routing information, it updates its routing table and informs its neighbors. Working principle. Firstly, each node enters the cost of the neighboring node and link that is down not to the direct neighbor is assigned as a cost assigned to the infinity. Every node that sends a message directly connected to the adjacent node about the adjacent neighbor and their cost. After exchange the node's information, it will find at least to reach the other node information. It means A is exchanging data with C with some cost. When it travels to one neighbor to another, it will exchange the data and find the least cost nodes of information. In this, the drawbacks are count to infinity. We have to count if many structures arises, then the count will be infinity. And another one is split horizon problem. In this count infinity, when x want to reaches b, it want to go via a. It means 2 plus 4 6 via a. When it is before failure, before failure when it doesn't get the output, when it doesn't have the output at the, when it doesn't receive the output at the receiver end, after receiving the output it will be updated, it is reached via a or b. Split horizon. In this, node a keeps the value of infinity as the distance to x. Later, when node a sends its routing table to b, node b also corrects its routing table. This system becomes stable after the first update. In our scenario, node B eliminates the last line of its routing table before it sends it to A. Split horizon with Poisson reverse. Poisson reverse. Split horizon routing with Poisson reverse is a variant of split horizon route advertising, in which a router actively advertises routes as unreachable over the interface, over which they are lent by setting to router metric to infinity. It is 16 for router metric infinity protocol. The effect of such an announcement is immediately remove most looping routes before they can propagate through the network. In this, split of horizon and Poisson reverse, using the split horizon theory has one drawback. Node B can still advertise the value of x, but if a source information is a, it can replace the distance with infinity as warning. Do not use the value which what I know about this sorting protocol from you. Thank you.